Again, we are covering geography of class 9 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 1 for CDS and Civil Services pre-exam. We are discussing a topic seasons, and first season, the cold weather season, we have discussed. Now the next season is the hot weather season, that is summer. So first point in this topic is due to the apparent northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shifts northward. So summary due to the northward movement of sun. Second point is as such from March to May it is hot weather season in India. Next point, the influence of the shifting of the heat belt can be seen clearly from the temperature recording taken during March-May at different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. You know where the Deccan Plateau is. In April, temperature in Gujarat and the Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in northwestern parts of the country. And next one is in peninsular India or in South India, the temperature remain lower due to moderating influence of ocean. As South India is surrounded by ocean, so here temperature remains low. Next point is the summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in northern part of the country in UP, Punjab, Haryana. Okay, so here there is rise in temperature but fall in air pressure. Toward the end of May, an elongated low pressure area dwells in the region extending from the Thar Desert in the northwest, Thar Desert in Rajasthan, to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east and southeast. Patna is in east and Chota Nagpur is in southeast. That we have studied. So circulation of air begins to set in around this trough. So as there is fall in pressure, so circulation of air will take place. Next point is a striking feature of the hot weather season is the loo. So that is the more common word in summer, loo. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India in Punjab, Haryana and UP. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. Direct exposure to these winds may even prove to be fatal. Next one is, so this is about Loo, and some dust storm is also there. So dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. These storms being temporary relief as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This is also the reason for localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, torrential downpours, often accompanied by hail. In West Bengal, these storms are known as Kal Besakhi, calamity for the month of Baisakh, around 13 April. Baisakhi is the date. This is the date for Baisakhi, so Kal Besakhi. Okay, so these storms are called Kal Besakhi in West Bengal. So next point is toward the close of the summer, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka, and are called and are referred to mango shower. So mango shower are related to Kerala and Karnataka at the close of summer season, or we can say these are pre-monsoon showers. Pre-monsoon showers are called mango shower.